Good day, sir. This is the first come first serve algorithm. We have the process ID ABCDE, the arrival time 0348N, the CPU verse 31424. Here we start with A. The arrival time of A is 0, and the travel distance of A is 3. So it ends up in 3. Therefore, the process ID B comes forward. The The process B only has one travel time. Then the process ID, which is C, gets to turn, and the process ID of C has four travel time, and it ends in 8, which then the process ID D comes in. The D has only two travel time, and then we have the E. We have the process IDE, which has only 4 travel time, and it ends there in 14. Here in waiting time, the waiting time of A is only 0, the B 0, same as the rest. The average waiting time is 0 ms. The turnaround time is 3 against 0, which is 3. 4 against 3 equals 1. 8 against 4 equals 4. 10 against 8 equals 2. 14 against 10 equals 14. The, the total average turnaround time is 14 out of 15. When you equivalent it to ms, you get 2.8 ms.